use the fucking health. Thanks. Oh, did I kill you? Did you run? Run. Oh, traverse. No, you don't even have to fight them. You do not even have to fight them. You don't have to fight them, dude. Run to the white fog. Boss is a dick. He's a major dick. Yep. Just run to the white fog. You don't have to fight anything. Yes, because they increase your defense. Yeah, I know. There's already another part. Oh, and I'm dead. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's exactly what I was like. Then I just ran around little by little. I just ran through sections like, fuck this. I ain't fighting these guys. So I just fought the boss.
Now it's back to the dream again to get the gloves. I'm out of potato sticks, oh no.
I want some potato sticks.
Right?
Can you send some through, you know, the internet?
Of course.
Thanks, man.
Wait, you don't have chips? Are you kidding me?
Of course I got chips. I just don't want to eat them right now. Chips will make me fat. I don't want to get fat. Sounds about right. Whoa! Whoa! Calm the flip down, man. Yep, I think I did too. I think I did. I can't remember actually. Now it's time to nickel and dime everything. Yay, nickel and diming. Nope, not fighting those. Oh, correction, not fighting two of those. I have too many silver bullets. He also recommends selling some, because if you're nickel and diming it, you're gonna get a lot of silver bullets, like if you don't use them. They're stunning. They're basically just for stunning. If you have the blunderbuss, you just stun dudes with them. Okay, that's what I got. And it's for stunning special. And then you just take a hit or two on them, and then you back up, recharge your endurance bar. Well, in about a half hour or so, after I, nickel and dimed a bunch, maybe engage the boss and beat him. Basically, I'm going in with 10 Molotovs, and I'm just going to burn the shit out of him, because Molotovs do so much damage. But yeah, so in about a half hour I'll be heading over to Destiny. I have no idea who you're talking about. No, I haven't talked to him since. Remember, we're streaming online. You're not supposed to say names unless you don't care. But he's Hefe. That's it. That's his name. Oh Jesus! Jesus Jones. Jesus Jones. What do you want your moniker to be? What do you want me to refer to you as online? Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith it is. Mr. Smith it. Cool. Done. Mr. Smith it. Sing me a song. Make it a good one that I'll always know. Stop forgetting that, man. You know this game is all about that stab, no punching. Straight. There's like a white fog at the end of the bridge, you run straight to that fog and you hit X. Past the giant guy. Past the giant guy. I gaggle it through. Yeah, you see it now? That's it. Yeah, imagine going up against that. I mean, not knowing he's supposed to be there. Like, not, obviously you didn't know he was supposed to be there, but you knew he was the boss. I didn't know anything. I just ran, and He's a mini boss? For realsies? Like, that is disgusting. Stop burning me! Yeah. But okay, by doing that now, you'll have a singing bell thing. A bell. Yeah, you'll have, like, you'll notice you'll have one eye thing in the top right. And when you go back to the Spectre, there'll be like a spirit thing you gotta talk to, and you'll get it from that. Oh, the doll? Yeah, that's the doll, dude. That's a doll. It's now moving, yeah, because it's being possessed by some entity. But it levels you up. In the top left, it'll show you how much echoes you need for a level, and then you put it into one of your stats. Yep. Got some good holy shit. Got some good shit tonight. You're not wanted here. Yeah. Yep. You buy your upgrades. You put at top right. It'll show you how much for your next level, and you put it into one of your stats. And each stat you upgrade is one level. Well, you are playing a Demon Souls game. Yeah, I didn't play it. Right, back to it, and it is. Yeah, as I said, I wouldn't recommend fighting him. I would recommend, waiting. Are you gonna send two at me? Guy over here. Okay. Because yeah, it does. You kind of gotta time them. Yeah, they do. Yep, it's all about the dodge, no hitting. 10 Molotovs, a bunch of gun shells, and like a shit ton of dodging should do it. Fighting the beast again. Why aren't you gonna do that? Crazy? Cause you're crazy? Yeah, I get that. I found a way to fight that mob pretty decently. Possibly. I know it jumps. Yeah, I don't know really how to fight it. Just stay back, throw things at it, run in, get a hit, dodge, 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 dodge. Have a lot of blood echoes. Like, I think I had 20 when I went in there. And I think I had 0 when I died, and he was down to 3/4. Yeah, they probably won't. So, just from fighting it normally? Just fighting it normally? Jesus, well done, sir. Yeah, kind of does. Ow. I dealt with the mob. Wow, I actually... I want your sex. No, I was fighting the mob. I actually got through the whole entire mob, killed them all. It's impressive, dude. It's impressive. I do not know, sir. I do not know. Fire is effective? Oh, yeah. Huh. Did you kill him? So how are you fighting it? I want to go figure out your strategy. That sounds like you're having a real easy time fighting. You damn dirty rat.
So have you not killed this thing yet?
No. No, I haven't fought that thing. No, no. I haven't even gotten to fight it yet, man. I'm going to fight him in like 2 seconds. I got about 16 minutes of streaming left, and then I'll be done for Bloodborne for the night.
I'm down to a third of health with 3 blood vials left.
That's pretty insane.
I just gotta keep calm and keep going at it. His attacks are so freaking weird, man.
Did you use all the Molotovs?
Hold on. Oh crap. Oh crap, I accidentally used a Bloodborne. I didn't mean to. He's got a sliver of health, but I'm alright.
How are you damaging him so easily?
I killed it.
How'd you do that?
Just dodging it, prey slaughtered. Sword hunter badge, cleric beast.
Huh.
Literally, my leather don't look like leather anymore. It's all blood covered.
So what was your strategy though?
Just kept avoiding him. I actually, I don't know if you did that. I locked onto him.
Yeah. Hmm. Is it? Nice. Oh jeez, I'm about to do that. I don't know how you're so easily doing this. Lead 10? I have no idea. Alright. Yeah, I'm already pretty much dead. Yep. He's hitting me with everything, man. I'm trying to figure out a strategy, but he's doing like a lot of swipe attacks. And I just spent 8 Molotovs on him. That still didn't kill him. I had him down to a quarter of his health again. The second time I had him down to that.
I got one Molotov. I wasted a couple of them.
You don't even need to waste them, apparently. Like, your guy's not even as upgraded as mine, and you were able to beat him. This is ridiculous.
what type of character is yours?
How would I know?
I don't know, like when you made it, did you pick the one that's like pretty much equally balanced among all things?
So was that great? Yeah, I don't know. I really have no idea. See, I have no more blood vials. But apparently that's probably the key. See, like that, right there. Fuck you're supposed to die with any of these stuff. How did that even hit me? This guy, man. I'm also using a different weapon than you did. You're probably using the starting weapon, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh god, the werewolf's got me pinned. I can't move. They got me. If it makes you feel better, the werewolves killed me.
A little bit. 2 attempts and you have the freaking boss beaten with a weaker character. Ugh. It's definitely a reigning games record for sure. Fighting game. So I'm fighting him every time with 0 vials just to see what's see if I can get it. Right? So look at that. saying hopefully it would be soon. Yeah, okay. He's doable with this weapon because it's more long range.
Do you still have your starter weapon?
Yeah.
Right, don't tap it in the L1 where it makes that big sickle, just keep it where it's that small blade. You can swing it real fast with the L1, that's what I used.
Oh, I used the big blade so I could stay more ranged. With 0 vials, I had like 1/10 of his health down.
You still fighting him right now?
No, he killed me again.
Alright.
But I was basically just training myself on how to actually fight him. I'm gonna go sell off a bunch of bullets if I can. And, send them into vials. Or what?
What's with this, hunchback's glowing eyes now? Did he steal my blood? Oh my god, stupid freaking crew is going aggro on me.
You get more, more money. Or more, echoes from it.
I like how you attacked him and splatters their blood.
180 of vials is gross. I guess. Maybe the thing that kills you gets them or something? I'm not 100% sure, but...
Because I went up at him, and his eyes were glowing.
Yeah,
Weird color.
and you killed him.
And it's like, yeah, it says your blood echoes have been recovered.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, I wonder if you go up against a boss, how many blood echoes you'd have if you constantly kept dying. 10,000 blood echoes. What the hell?
Would be nice.
Excuse me? Call me a plague-ridden rat. How dare you. Why? Oh, where the boss was? Yeah, maybe. Alright, so I'm gonna head back now that I'm, down. It is though, that's the funny part. It'll probably just be like some pickups, like you can get vials and like stuff like that. There are a few things which are items that basically hold blood, which I'd recommend just storing them up for a while until you get a shit ton. So that way you can just easy level later when you need it. Like the dews and whatnot, those give you a bunch of blood. Like a dew level 1 gives you like 350, but a dew level 3 gives you 1,000. That's how I was able to do some of my levels. He's easy. Oh, show you easy. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching the stream. And later on YouTube, thanks for watching. That'll be it for today of the streaming. Till next time. Say goodbye, Mr. Smither. Smithit, I think it was.
Bye.